I know. Mielle's canceled, right? But I mean, welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and today, yes, today, we're about to try a new product from the canceled, as we know it, Mielle. This will be the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. So let me go ahead and get my hair down. I just washed it. So now it's time for conditioning. And since I got this particular product in a box set for a Christmas present, I think it was last year, I'm going to use it. Yes, we know. If you haven't already heard, there's plenty other videos all around YouTube about how Mielle is being canceled or is canceled. And I try to stay away from the whole cancel culture because basically, as many YouTubers that I personally watch have said, everything canceled. I mean, all kinds of makeup, everything, but hey. So, looking at this, let's go ahead and just get it open here. The smell, I don't even know how to describe the smell. I have used many other products from other companies with the combination of rosemary and mint. This, I don't know. I can't place the smell. So the texture itself, the consistency, I do like. This is normally what I see in a deep conditioner, so I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at the creaminess. I'm not mad at the fact that I'll be able to spread it per what I just did on my hand. So let's go ahead and get one section down and see what it can do for me. So, okay, as you can see, I'm spreading it pretty nicely through my hair. I still can't place this smell. The amount of moisture in it, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, according to the ingredient list here, there's plenty of wonderful things in this deep conditioner. It's just, I don't know. The amount of slip is not where I would like it to be. It's really not, but hey, we don't know what's going to happen until it sits in my hair for a while. And according to the directions, it says after shampooing with the rosemary mint strengthening shampoo, smooth evenly through damp hair from roots to ends. Leave in 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Now, it doesn't say to enhance it with heat. Use a thermal cap. Doesn't say anything like that. Doesn't say your hair has to be dripping wet. It just says damp hair. So, okay, so I just did the second section here. As you can see, it's kind of sitting on top of my hair, but I hope this product will soak into my strands once it sits. So we'll see what happens. I'll go ahead and do the rest of my hair. You guys let me know. Is Mielle canceled for you? I mean, is it? I don't know. I don't know. For me, honestly, I've never purchased a Mielle product. All the products that I've received from Mielle in the past, from their other lines, were given to me. So, I mean, you know how everyone was falling all over, head over heels over Mielle in the past, but now all kind of people are sidestepping, backtracking, and everything else. I mean, really, I haven't watched any of the videos. I've only watched one, and I made it halfway through the video when I saw the receipts on how the owner was acting. Just because an influencer decided to give their honest review. Yeah. Oh, back to that, which you just saw. I wasn't feeling the smell, you guys. I mean, it started to smell, I don't know, just a mixture in the sense was not agreeing with my nose. I couldn't wait to get it out of my hair. As far as my hair itself, it's okay. I'm low porosity, so the curl poppage is where it should be. basically, for me and my hair. Um, I don't know. Will I use this again? Probably so, just to use it up. Because as I said before, this was a Christmas present. We're not wasting anything here. Would I buy it? No. I mean, just the way the owner just went at this influencer just turned me all the way off. So yeah, you let me know. Have you used this product? Is Mielle canceled for you? Um, yeah. So that's what we have. My hair's okay. It's okay. Just okay. I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.